My video guide is about getting rid of the scary alerts that claim to be some messages from Windows or Microsoft. But these are fake alerts. They quote this fake Windows support number +65 3129 0662. You should realize that this is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. There are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. These hackers try to make you call this fake number, and if you do it, if you call it, you will hear these fake Microsoft technicians. They will then try to connect to your computer remotely, and then they may demand from you to pay money supposedly to get your computer fixed. Do not call this fake number. Simply leave this page, and I also recommend that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start carefully investigating this system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.